Oh, there you go. Oh.
What the fuck?
Why is it doing that?
I don't know, it's really annoying.
Well, that fixes that problem. Yeah, I think you're good.
We're gonna start by jacking this thing up and getting some fluid out, so let's cut the montage.
Yeah.
It sounds so gross.
I know.
You squeeze it.
That's why I was doing that.
Oh, dude. Okay, stop squeezing so you're making a mess in the hand.
That was all gonna pop out when we took the thing off.
Yeah, we're gonna pop that line off right now. So just popping the radiator out here. Yeah, that's what I have to see. Alright, little update here. We now have the intake off. We still have our radiator out. Noah got that out for me. And we don't really know what we're going to start with next, but another big thing that needs to come out is the entire exhaust system needs to come out. And then...
By the way, full disclosure, I've never pulled a motor before.
Yeah, no, this is our first motor pulling. Like, we have no idea what we're doing.
Big learning experience.
So yeah, it's a big learning experience. But hey, we're just going to give it our best and
Dive right in.
just dive right in. Yeah, hopefully it all goes well. So yeah, we don't really know what to do next, but start with something. We'll keep you posted when we figure it out. All right, guys, what's up? It's definitely been a minute since we picked or left you guys off last. This is what our engine bay is looking like right now. So we have some of the accessories off. Obviously, the radiator's all gone, the intake's all gone.
Intake manifold's
Intake manifold's a little bit loose. A lot of our wiring harness is all off. So like all down here, it's all off. So yeah, our whole wiring harness is disattached. Or not whole wiring harness, but a lot of our wiring harness is disattached. Our injectors are disattached, and yeah, it's just kind of back over here and underneath this intake manifold. So next step is going to be getting that off. And yeah, Noah's been working on all that. And while that's been going on, I've been working on the exhaust. So we finally have the exhaust out of the car. Downpipe's just over here. Obviously this is an NA one, so there isn't a crazy downpipe. This is just some aftermarket kit of some sort. Let's pull out the rest of this exhaust. So yeah, there's the rest of the exhaust system. It's definitely a little rougher than I thought, but it is kind of a cool setup. You got these huge mufflers back here, and then a nice little Y pipe and a little cat. All right, so we just got our intake manifold out of the car. She's sitting pretty right here, and now we've got to dive into this rat's nest. So all that fuckery right there, it'll be a good time.
Alright, so we found this thing. I don't know what it is. Charcoal canister, maybe. But it wasn't hooked up to anything anyway, so we're gonna see what's inside. Some internet science. It is a charcoal canister. It's full of charcoal.
Yeah, it's real dirty.
No, that's what it's supposed to like. It's charcoal. It absorbs like the gases that evaporate.
Clean your hands.
Put it on your teeth.
So much worse.
I think it absorbs the gas that evaporates from the fuel tank.
Okay.
I think that's what it does. Yeah. All right, guys. So there's another little update here. So I got the Engine harness out. Intake's off as we said before. Come around to the inside, got the ECU out. Got the harness out from in here. Brody's working on something.
Yeah. I'm trying to get the all the transmission harness out, and then there's a little bit that's kind of attached to some of the block down here, but just kind of the secondary harness we're getting out now.
Yeah. So yeah, making pretty good progress. It's definitely, we got more done than we thought we would in this amount of time, considering we've never done anything like this before. But yeah. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, gonna get back to it. Keep grinding away.
Alright guys, what's up? We are coming back here. Kind of the end of the day, we're about wrapping things up. We've been pretty intermittent with our filming today, but we'll give you a little update here. So if you look at the engine bay, that's already doing things. Yeah, so if you look at the engine bay here, obviously all the intake's off. Most of the harness is out. There's still a little bit down in here that's connected to transmission and whatnot. And yeah, we also got all the power steering out of the way. The main big thing is this AC condenser right here. We can't just pop the lines because it's freon.
Yeah.
Freon, yeah, it's a very dangerous chemical.
We think it's still, the system's still like full of it, so.
Yeah, I'd rather not die. So we're gonna leave that. And yeah, other than that, I think it's just that, the drive shaft and
Shift linkage.
shift linkage. That are the main big things left to do. So yeah, other than that, we're pretty much wrapped up. And so I think that's what we're gonna call it for the day, but probably see you in the morning.
Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? It's the next day. We got a lot done yesterday, and we're just gonna kind of pick it up where we left off and keep tearing things apart.
Yes, we got a few big things in here and probably a bunch of stuff that we missed. So we're just gonna see what we can see needs to come out, take it out, and I don't know, get as close as we can to pulling this motor.
Let's get to it.
What's up, guys? So as you guys know, this is the donor car, and this afternoon we've gotten a little bit carried away, mainly this guy right here. And we decided to break some stripe out and get some zebra striping going. So Noah, you want to show them the technique? Oh, dude, that looks nice. Oh yes. Oh yes. Jesus, looks heinous.
It is heinous.
Okay, I want to get some stripage action. Just trade me off.
The white's a lot better. It's a great pattern. Let's see. That's for my hand and everything. I don't want to paint the doors.
I guess that's good.
Oversprayed nationals. It's gonna make someone really upset.
Yeah, probably. Just full disclosure here, guys, this car was super rusty and super shitty. Like, it's not usable, just the motor and transmission are because they've been rebuilt. So, we're not doing something that's too bad. Covered in the
That can suck.
Yeah, it's not great. That's my masterpiece.
It's a full send mobile.
Yeah, full send.
Always ready to go.
Alright, guys, do you want to tell them what happened?
You sell that.
Alright. So we got a little carried away.
Yep.
Yeah, things got a little bit out of hand. Spray paint
not the
and
first
us
time.
and the car that we don't actually have to drive. It's a little interesting.
Questionable combination.
We'll show you this side first. So we think we've done a nice custom paint job. Why don't you guys tell us what you think in the comments? Got some nice white wall tires. It says party time and full send on the side. This thing's ready to go. Oh yeah, she looks sweet up here. Got the nice crash bar painted to match. A little bit of zebra action. And then you ready?
Yep.
And then this is the good side.
This is a really good side. Race Team 69.
Fully zebra striped with orange wall tires.
Not just the wall.
Yeah, this one's not just the wall either, it's the whole thing. Oh, that's
It's
slick.
my paint.
Yeah, this is a big joke. I don't know how it happened. It is what it is.